Imagine having a platform that can actually help you create digital product, physical product, market this particular product for you to the right people that can actually buy from you in one single website without running any advertisement. In this very video, I'm going to be revealing this particular website that can actually help you create digital products, list your digital product, physical product on their website, and also promote this product to their visitors who can actually buy from you. So in this very video, I'm going to be showing you how this particular website works and how you can actually get started with this very strategy. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be breaking it down step by step. Alright, on this very platform, you can sell digital products, you can sell courses, you can sell coaching, you can sell physical product, and lots more. And if you click on this very section that says marketplace, you'll be able to explore lots of digital products out there. Not every website has this particular feature. Most of the website that allows you to sell digital products doesn't have marketplace where you can see a lot of people that are selling. All they allow you to do is to put your product on your own store, then you'll be the one to market your product. But right here on this very platform, they have a marketplace where you can actually browse a lot of categories of product to buy, so you can see potential buyers for your product. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Before you start selling on this platform, you need to sign up as a creator. All right, so you click on this section that says sign up. Then on this section, you have to simply put in your details, all your details, or add your first name, your last name, your email address, and also your password, and click on create account. Okay, on your logged in dashboard, you're going to see we have the dashboard, product store, we have analytics, we have marketing, we have a customers. Alright, okay, so if you click on this section that says product, then you're going to see the list of products I am selling already on this very platform. Okay, you're going to see all of them right here. Okay, but if you want to add more product, all you need to do is simply click on this add new product. But if you just created a new account, you're not going to be seeing any product down below. All right, all you need to do is simply click on the add new product section. Okay, so once you click on that, this is the best part of this very platform, where you can actually sell any type of product, both digital product, online courses, membership, physical product, or coaching services, bundles, and lots more. Alright, so for the physical product, you can sell clothes, you can sell anything you want to sell on this very platform. So for instance, if I click on physical product, I can decide to sell anything. All I need to do is simply upload the description and also upload the images of those products. Alright, so if I'm selling a bag, or I'm selling a cloth or shoe, I have to simply take cool, clean pictures of those products that I want to sell and place them right here, add my price, add my details, and also add the shipping information. So if I have that in place, people can be able to buy from me. But all I need to do is to add digital product that I want to sell. Okay, so click on it. So when we talk about digital product is not only PDF all the time. No, digital product, you can sell file, video files, you can sell softwares, you can sell mobile apps, you can sell websites, you can sell anything. If I send you an article and you pay me money, that is a digital product. Alright, so if you come to this very section right here, you have to simply add the digital product you want to sell on this very platform. Okay, I have to first of all add the name of the product I want to sell. Okay, so let's say I want to simply transfer one of my products that is already making sales on seller down to Payhib. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is simply get the name of that particular product. Okay, you go ahead and watch this particular video shown on screen right here. This particular video is going to simply help you place your product and also list your product on seller, okay, for sales. Right, and also add your product to the affiliate section of seller. Just go ahead and watch this video right here. Okay, what I need to do is simply copy that. Okay, so remember, you can sell your product in any platform. You can sell your product from one particular platform or the other. All right, what I need to do is simply add it right here. See, the product title on seller is $10. Right, so we're gonna simply be adding that $10 right here. Okay, so let's say we want to add 10 right here. Upload the product file. Okay, the product file is the main digital file. Okay, like if you're selling PDF, it should be the PDF. If you're selling video course, it should be the video file. All right, if you're selling software, it should be the software file. All right, or app file. Okay, so go to this section that says upload file, and I'm going to simply select the file from my desktop. Okay, this is Fiverr affiliate traffic system. All right, so this is it. So select this, then go to open, then allow it to load. All right, so you can see over here, this is the file, and the file name is there already. And you have to make sure that your file is in compliance with this very platform. Okay, and you have to make sure you create your product, okay, by yourself. I don't recommend using AI to create product. So if you want to sell product, digital product, make sure you spend time writing it, and also make sure you spend time creating the video, right? So I create my courses myself, and I spend time creating my video courses, and after doing all of these things, I will end up uploading it on the store for people to actually get all the whole knowledge that I've already dished out in that particular course, okay? That if people buy, they'll end up recommending your product to another person. All right, simply scroll down right here. You have to import the product image, okay? So let's click on it. You can import up to 9 images. That's what they said. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll down. This is the first image right here. I'm going to simply import that right here. It is here now. We're going to be adding the description. So let's come back here, scroll down. You can add it right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete this. The video is Fiverr affiliate. All right, so we're going to be looking out for Fiverr affiliate on YouTube. So this is it right here. Okay, click on embed. This is the one they required us to add. We're going to add that. Then come back here, then select video, then add the iframe here. Okay, so this is the one they want. Then click on insert. You can see we got it now. Okay, so what I need to do is simply add my WhatsApp. So for you to get the WhatsApp, I have to simply come to my YouTube right here, then scroll down to this section that says contact. Okay, so I have to add this, the WhatsApp right here. So copy the WhatsApp, then come back here. Then I'm going to be adding it. So I'm going to be dropping the WhatsApp number right here. Then for the visibility, you can see right here, you have to make sure that everything is set on visible so that everybody can see this product. Okay, so click on this section that says advanced. So once you have this in place, click on this add product. Okay, so let's wait for it. All right, so the product has been added. You can see right here the product has been added. Show me my product page, and this is the link right here. You can share this product. So let's click on it. You can see this is the product right here. Everything is fully set up right here on this very section. Okay, and people can actually buy from me. Okay, so what I need to do is simply go ahead and promote this product. If I want to promote it, I usually use my blog, but automatically this is already situated on the marketplace. Okay, so if I click on this buy now, people can actually buy with different payment section and all of that. Okay, you can see right here. After adding the product, the next thing you have to do so that your product can start ranking and also start getting you more sales is to go to the store section. Okay, go to the store section and you have to simply click on the launch store button. Okay, it's going to simply take you to a new page where you can actually see all your store details and all of that. Okay, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and customize this very page for yourself. Okay, once your product is live on store, what you need to do is simply go to that product, then you click on the edit product. Okay, another section is going to simply pop up for you, right, which is this section that says category and tag. Just click on it. Once you click on that category and tag, select the category of that particular product you're promoting, okay, or you've already listed, and set for writing and publishing. All right, just set for writing and publishing. Okay, so select courses. All right, select that. You have to simply add tags about whatever thing you're promoting. Okay, let's say affiliate. Is click on these save changes. Okay, and automatically your product is already optimized, all right, for ranking, which is going to simply give you more advantage to get sales and also traffic even without running ad. And the best thing you have to do right now is to upload more product and also look out for what is trending on the marketplace and create similar type of product on that. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, join us on our Telegram channel. Let me know where you're watching from so I can actually make videos that will work well in your own country. All right, see you in that particular update.